Ready for dictation? 3, 2, 1, ready. The Union Public Service Commission, commonly abbreviated as UPSC, is India's premier central recruiting agency. It is responsible for appointments to and examinations for all India services and Group A and Group B of central services. While Department of Personnel and Training is the central personnel agency in India. The agency's charter is granted by Part 14 of the Constitution of India titled as Services under the Union and the States. The Commission is mandated by the Constitution for appointments to the services of the Union and all India services. It is also required to be consulted by the government in matters related to the appointment, transfer, promotion and disciplinary matters. The Commission reports directly to the President and can advise the government through him. Although such advice is not binding on the government. Being a constitutional authority, UPSC is amongst the few institutions which function with both autonomy and freedom, along with the country's higher judiciary and lately the Election Commission. The Commission is headquartered at Dholpur House in New Delhi and functions through its own secretariat. Pradeep Kumar Joshi has been the chairman of UPSC since August 2020. Established on 1 October 1926 as Public Service Commission, it was later reconstituted as Federal Public Service Commission by the Government of India Act 1935, only to be renamed as today's Union Public Service Commission after the independence. As per Article 316, the chairman and other members of Union Public Service Commission shall be appointed by the President. In case the office of the chairman becomes vacant, his duties shall be performed by one of the other members of the Commission as the President may appoint for the purpose. Also, nearly half of the members of the Commission shall be persons who, at the dates of their respective appointments, have held office for at least 10 years, either under the Government of India or under the Government of a state. A member of a Union Public Service Commission shall hold office for a term of 6 years from the date on which he enters upon his office or until he attains the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Under Article 318, the President is empowered to determine number of members of the Commission and their conditions of service. Further, he can make provision with respect to the number of members of the staff of the Commission and their conditions of service too. Also, conditions of service cannot be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. As per Article 319, a person who holds office as chairman shall, on the expiration of his term of office, be ineligible for reappointment to that office. But a member other than the chairman of the Union Public Service Commission shall be eligible for appointment as the chairman of the Union Public Service Commission or as the chairman of a state public service commission, but not for any other employment either under the Government of India or under the Government of a state. Stop. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.